there's something about the ocean that makes everything feel quieter. Maybe it's the rhythm of the waves, steady, unhurried, like they've got nowhere else to be. And somewhere in the middle of our busy lives, we forget that feeling. Mornings here don't rush you. Coffee tastes a little better when you're not checking the time. Conversations feel lighter. Silence feels comfortable. Back home, everything moves fast. Deadlines, notifications, constant noise. There's always something to chase, something to catch up with. But out here, nothing feels urgent. The ocean doesn't hurry. The sun doesn't rush to set. And somehow, that changes you. You start noticing things. The color of the sky, the sound of the wind, the way a moment just exists. No pressure to capture it. No need to move on too quickly. Maybe life was never meant to feel like a race. Maybe we were just meant to experience it. Slowly, fully, one moment at a time. Because in the end, it's not the rush we remember. It's this, the stillness, the feeling, the moments we allowed ourselves to pause. The quiet joy of just being exactly where we are. Maybe we don't need more time. Maybe we just need to slow it down. Because sometimes, the slow moments are the ones that stay with us the longest.